Okay. It is officially 9 o'clock. The recording has started. So it's time to get started. If you are already in my reading RTI, I'm sorry, you're going to hear my spiel again. If this is the first time I'm seeing you this morning, good morning. I'm so stinking glad you are here today. I'm so thankful we have this technology so I can see all your lovely faces this morning. Literally so happy I can still see you guys. Yeah, if you don't have a dry erase board, get some paper. If you need paper or you think you'd rather have a dry erase board, you need to email your teacher or have your parents email your homeroom teacher, and we can like package up some paper or a whiteboard for you, and your parents or someone can come pick that up so you have that. So if you don't have the materials that you need to message your homeroom teacher. Your homeroom is whose class you're actually in. If you do not have what you need, message your teacher and we will get that stuff for you. No one's going to sleep. We got lots to do. So at 9 o'clock every single day for at least the next 12 school days, you will be coming to see my face at 9 a.m. for Math RTI. We will always have a Google Meet unless I post in the classroom that we won't day of. So always assume we have a Google Meet, okay? Assume we have a Google Meet. Now that the meet has started, make sure you're using the chat for school stuff and not for other stuff, whatever. I haven't seen all of you yet, so right now just tell me in the chat, how are you feeling this morning? If I've already seen you, answer me again. That's fine. How are we feeling this morning? It is Monday. It is 9:01. Good and tired. You want to go to sleep? Good. Positive. Mia. Woo! Mia's feeling positive. Woo, 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 woo. Go, Mia. Hi, James. We're just asking in the chat how everyone is feeling. Molly, you spelled tired wrong, silly girl. Gage is feeling amazing. That's awesome. Mrs. Kneifel is literally just so happy to see you guys. You don't even know. Like, it's making my day that I get to see your lovely faces. Corgan's feeling not good. I'm sorry. Sorry, Corgan. Hi, Logan. Good morning. We're just taking 5 seconds to say how we're feeling in the chat before we get started with math. I do hate the corona. I'm so sorry. It's no fun, but that's why we have this awesome technology so I can still see you guys. You need to have out a piece of paper and a pencil, or you need to have a dry erase board and a marker. I already said earlier, if you do not have paper at home or you don't have your dry erase board at home, if you'd rather use a dry erase board, you need to contact your homeroom teacher and we can get stuff packed up for you so your parents can come pick it up. If you do not have what you need to message your teacher today. Like I said, every single day, 9 a.m., you better be on your Google Meet coming to see me. Every day, 9 a.m., I want to see you. Okay? All right. Well, we're going to get started with Math RTI. And you're like, Mrs. Kneifel, what are we going to do now? Well, I asked Mrs. Jones, because she's your math teacher. And I was like, Mrs. Jones, you tell me, girlfriend, what do you need us to work on still? What do you need us to work on? And she said, Mrs. Kneifel, you still need to work on subtracting decimals because it could be better. You guys could be better at it. So we're still going to work on rounding our decimals and doing subtraction of decimals. I know we do that. We just have been doing that and doing that. But she said we're not perfect at it yet. So that's what we're going to keep on doing. So we are done filling in our chat about how we're feeling. Thank you for messaging me. But now we are going to start our lovely math class with our first problem. We're not doing a Kahoot today because I don't have that set up, but we can probably do a Kahoot this week for sure. Or maybe a quizzes. We'll do some type of game eventually this week. But right now, we're just going to be subtracting some decimals. We personally haven't done it for a few days together. So let's see how it is. Mrs. Jones said you guys definitely need more practice. Okay? Okay. I want 2 answers. I need you to round it, of course, and I need you to give me the actual answer. If your video's on, do not type it in the chat. First off, you're at home. I mean, that'd be cool if your video is on. If it's not on, that's okay. Evan, I know yours is broken. Do not type it in the chat if I can see your lovely face. If I can't see your lovely face, hold off on typing it in the chat. I want everyone to get a chance to answer. So you do not need to put it in the chat till I say, give me your answers. Okay, guys? And you don't need to hold up your boards. So I say, give me your answers. I want everyone to have a chance to do it. Everyone should be working out this problem, whether on paper, whether on a dry erase board, something, chalkboard, I don't care. You need to be working out this problem. And if you don't have paper at home, you need to message your teacher and we will get you some. We can pack it up and have your parents pick it up. Or if you need a dry erase board at home, you can message your teacher and we can have it picked up. Yeah, however you're working it out, but you need to be working it out. Isaac, you need to be working out our problem. I'm not sure what you're typing in here. I still see people writing, so I'm going to give it a few more minutes. I don't want to rush anyone. Yes, you should be estimating and giving me the actual answer. You should be doing both. Mrs. Kneifel got this energizing tea from Healthy Westville this morning. You guys should check that place out because I'm real pumped up this morning. All right, let's give it a try together, my friends. First off, we got to do some estimation. 91 and 46/100ths. That is below. So I'm just going to make it 91. Minus 11 and 9/10. Ooh, that's definitely up. So we're going to make that 12. 91 minus 12 is 79. The estimation should be 79. Or how did my, or you guys got 80? I guess technically, we could do this. So some of you may have gotten the estimation of 80 because technically if you would round, this would be a 5, and then you could make it 92. So I personally would accept the estimation of 97 or 80. I would personally accept either of those. But now let's do the actual problem. 91 and 46/100ths minus 11 and 9/10. 6 minus 0 equals 6. Oop, gotta borrow 14, which is 5. The actual answer is 79 and 56/100ths. So I would accept the estimation of 97 or 80, and the actual answer is 79 and 56/100ths. Show me your board if your camera's on. If your camera's not on, double check. Make sure you're listening to me. Make sure you have these correct answers, friends. Looks like we have some correct answers. All right. If you didn't get it right, just know where your mistake was. Problem number 2. Mrs. Kneifel needs to get a new dry erase eraser. This one is not the bomb. I think after this lesson today, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to kick this eraser to the curb and get a new one. So, Miss Mia, I'm not sure what you did wrong either for the estimation, but I'll double check this time, okay? I'll make sure to look at your estimation, okay? So remember, if it's 0.5 and up, you round up. If it's below, if it's 0.4 or below, then you round to, you don't round, you just take that whole number, okay? You're rounding to the closest whole number. Cadence, are you on the phone? All right, next problem coming your way. I want an estimation and I want the actual number, please. I still see people writing, so you have a few more minutes. Do not rush. We got plenty of time. How about 30 more seconds and then we will do the problem together. Oh, okay, Cadence. All right, friends. First off, estimation. So I have 739 and 3/10. That 3 is below 5. No, I didn't have any caffeine this morning. It's just this fancy tea that I got is supposed to be energizing. It's got like healthy stuff in it. It was not caffeine, but I am so excited to be here today. Anyways, so that's below 5. So I'm just going to make it 739 minus 82 and 41 hundredths. That 4 is below 5. So I'm just going to make it 82. And then I'm going to do the problem over here. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 5, and 6. My estimation was 657. My estimation was 657. Now let's do the actual problem. Oh my gosh, how can I do a subtraction problem without the number over here? I'm going to have to add a 0 in and I'm going to have to borrow from the 3. So I'm going to borrow from the 3. The 3 becomes 2. The 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. Oh, look, I can't do 2 minus 4. I got to borrow again. Oh my goodness. Okay, then that's 8. Bring down my decimal nice and big. 8 minus 2 is 6. Oh, look, I have to borrow again. 5, 6. My actual answer is 656 and 89 hundredths. Please show me your board. Estimation, once again, was 657. Actual answer, 656 and 89 hundredths. Nolan, make sure you're putting a decimal or a period, not a comma, when you write it. Show me your boards if your camera's on. If your camera's not on, please double check and make sure you did it the right way. Because like I said, Mrs. Jones says, we got to keep on working on this because we are not awesome at it yet. And we need to be awesome. Because these decimals are just going to get harder with multiplication and division. So it's important that we at least know how to estimate, do the addition, do the subtraction before it gets harder and harder. Looks like I have some right answers. Mia, did you get it correct this time? Yeah, good. Awesome. Okay, moving on to the next problem. I'm going to erase. Good job, peeps. Next problem, coming at ya. Oh no, I have a phone call. Time out. Hello? I do. It's on a desk. Good. No, it's in my room, Mr. Okay. All right. Well. Okay, I was gonna say I'm in the middle of a live. Okay. All right. Bye. Okay. I don't even know what I was doing now. Oh wait, new problem. Duh. Okay. My hair's a mess. All right, next problem is coming your way. Boom. No, I'm so happy to see you guys. Make sure we estimate and we have the actual numbers or the actual answer estimation. Hey, remember that chat should be for school stuff. Not talking about Mrs. Kneifel. The problem is 489 and 91 hundredths minus 126 and that's that pile. And that thank you. 126 and 42 hundredths. 489 and 91 hundredths minus 126 and 42 hundredths. This is a longer problem, so I'm going to give you a few minutes. Don't rush. Do your personal best. I should be seeing right answers, correct ones. If you're done, then just wait patiently, please. All right, friends, let's get started. If you didn't finish, work with us, no big deal. We have 489 and 91 hundredths. Okay, after this decimal, yeah, 9's bigger than 5. So this is going to be 490 minus, after the decimal's a 4, that's below. So then it's just going to be 126. I don't know what that is. So you know what I'm going to do? I must do some subtraction. 0 minus 6 can't do it. Got to borrow. Your estimation should be 364. I repeat, estimation 364. I repeat, estimation 364. All right, next problem, or not next problem, but the actual problem now. 489.91 minus 126.42. 9. 4, 3, 6, 3. Actual answer is 363 and 49 hundredths. Actual answer 363 and 49 hundredths. Isaac, you are really struggling with this estimation. You are rounding to the nearest whole number, just this number, okay? All right, well, we need to make sure we're doing it the way we're doing it in 5th grade. Otherwise, you're going to get problems wrong. 364 should be your estimation. Actual answer, 363 and 49 hundredths. Abigail, it's 49, not 59. All right, make sure I'm seeing your guys' boards, friends. I want to see how you guys are doing. Let's throw an addition in here just for fun, because Mrs. Knife loves an addition problem every once in a while. Mrs. Knife loves an addition problem every once in a while. All right, I want an estimation and an actual one. This is addition. I repeat, addition. We're throwing in an addition just for fun.
Miss Knife, we can't see the numbers because of your name and the little blue dots.
I know. Can we see it now? 592 and 413 plus 107 973 thousandths. 592 and 413 thousandths plus 107 and 973 thousandths. Yeah, pin me. So then I'm the only one you're looking at. Me and my beautiful self. All right, my furry friends. Dun, da, da. All right. We have 592 and 413 thousandths. This 4 is smaller than 5, so I'm going to keep it at 592 plus, ooh, this 9's bigger than 5, so 108, which equals 700. Your estimation should be 700. I repeat, estimation 700. Now, actual answer, we just got to add this up, which should be simple, simple, simple. Because we know how to add because we've been adding our whole lives. 6, 8, 13, carry 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, carry 10, 700, 700 and 386,000 should be your answer. Mia, I definitely said add like 10 times. We got to make sure we're paying attention. So your estimation should be flat 700. Actual answer 700 and 386 thousandths. Let me see your boards, friends. All right. I need everyone's full attention. So we are almost out of time. We still have 5 minutes, but I just want to do a quick chat with you guys about the rest of your day. So every day, you're going to be getting on a live at Math RTI time at 9 a.m., okay? Just like today. I will, of course, record just in case you miss it for some reason or need to go back and look. So this will be recorded. I will post it on our Math RTI Google Classroom just like always. After this, at 9:40, yes, at 9:40, you'll be getting on reading, okay? So you're going to have 10 minutes between each class. That's your time to go to the bathroom. That's your time to get a snack. I don't know, your time to text your friend, something, whatever you need to do before the next class. So for each live, there's 10 minutes in between. So make sure you use those 10 minutes. Like as soon as Mrs. Kneifel gets off here, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to run to the restroom just like you guys should. Okay, I don't think you have time to take a bike ride in 10 minutes, but if you do, awesome. So make sure you double check your red schedule. If you were in my class, well, I posted a red schedule on every single one of the Google Classrooms I have. So the red schedule is posted in Math RTI. If you're in my class, you got a red schedule emailed to you. Thank you guys for coming to Math RTI today. Like I said, this will be posted, the recording, and I will see you all in reading really, really soon. At 9:40, I will see you in reading, okay? Use the bathroom before our next class, that way you don't have to go in the middle. Bye, guys. You may leave me. Bye-bye.